today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy, quick one-pot soup, which is full of protein, which is good for you. It's bean soup, bean and ham actually. And what I do is I just buy the packets of beans. You can get them here. This one is the 15 bean count, but obviously whatever your favourite beans are. As you can see, they're very pretty. So you want a bag of those, and then we want 8 ounces of ham, which I've diced. Basically your favourite ham, go to the deli counter, get a packet. If you baked a ham, you've got leftover ham, just about 8 ounces. I have 1 onion, which I've diced as well. If you haven't got an onion, a quick cheat is just buy a packet of frozen onions at the grocery shop in the freezer department. You can always use them, they're handy. You want you want to squeeze 1 lemon, which is around 2 tablespoons. Again, a cheat, you can buy the squeezy lemons if you don't have a fresh one. And just a little tip for lemons and also limes, any hard fruit, if you want to get juice out, you just press in the palm of your hand up and down. It kind of loosens the inside, so you get more juicy lemons. So you want about 2 tablespoons of them. You want 2 cups of chopped tomatoes, your favourite chopped tomatoes. And then for our spices, we want 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, that's the hot spicy pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 2 cloves of garlic that have gone through the garlic press. One thing on the salt, I always use kosher salt in my cooking because I actually find it more flavourful. But the only thing about kosher salt is it's got a sort of more pungent flavour, it's a little stronger, so just really think about that. I don't put too much in to start with, I always check at the end because sometimes it can be too salty. And then the most important ingredient, your chicken stock. And I use 3 cartons of chicken stock, which is 32 ounces a carton, so you need about that much. Obviously if you're vegetarian, use vegetable stock and don't use the ham. So, this is how we do it. Just get your saucepan, and I basically already put the chicken stock in here, and I'm just going to add the beans. I know, it's all very complicated. Oh, I should say, I did actually wash, the reason why they're in this colander is I did rinse them out first, I've got to tell you that. So you pop the beans in, and then you pop your tomatoes in. And that's like that. And then you pop your onions in. Now if you go in a different sequence, nothing bad's going to happen. I'm just going to show you how easy it is. And then we pop the ham in. Ooh. Okay. And basically you've just got a big pot of everything that you've just chopped up. And then we're going to put the lemon juice. And then all the spices and the garlic. What could be more easier? I'm going to give that a nice little mix. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on the stove and I'm going to boil it. I'm going to bring it to the boil, and then once it starts boiling I'm going to pop the lid on and I'm going to simmer it for about 60 minutes, come back and give it a stir and check, and then give it another 30 minutes or so. Basically you want the beans to be a little tender and then it's ready. So that takes about 1.5 hours, thereabouts. One little thing just before I put it on the stove is these bean bags come with these weird little packets of seasoning, which I don't actually use, because if you actually open them and give them a sniff, they are disgusting. So I don't really know what's in them. So if you want to use them, go ahead. But I know they're really salty, so I personally don't. I just like to add my own seasoning. So there we go, one pot easy soup, and we'll come back in 1.5 hours and show you what it looks like when it's all cooked. Okay, so the soup's been cooking for just over 1 hour. I'm just going to check on it. So I like to give it a nice good stir because, much like myself, it's bottom heavy. All the ingredients kind of sink to the bottom. So come and give it a good stir, and then we're going to pop the lid back on and leave it for another ½ hour or so and come back again. So here we are, it's been about 2 hours, and I've taken the soup off the heat and I'm just putting it into this bowl so you can see what it looks like. As you can see, it's like a gorgeous rich red colour. All the beans are nice and got a nice firm, or not firm rather, they're soft. They're firm, put them back in the pot and put them back on the stove. And the ham, it's all ready to go and it's delicious. Do make sure before you serve it that you do check the seasoning. I've actually had to add a little bit more black pepper to this because it wasn't really enough pepper for our taste buds. So do taste it and decide what you want to do. This is absolutely scrumptious with a sandwich, a grilled cheese, nice crusty bread, just any yummy thing you want to dip your soup into. And then what I do with the leftovers, because obviously I make way too much, is, this is the particular container I use, a little container, you just fill it up to a portion size and then pop it in in the freezer when it's cooled down, and it's great to have as leftovers. Pop it in the microwave and you've got another meal. So enjoy!